Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a simple but very useful feature inside the Asana app. If you prefer working late at night or just enjoy a darker screen to reduce eye strain, this guide will show you exactly how to enable dark mode quickly and easily. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down until you see the Display Settings option and tap on it. Finally, choose Dark from the menu. The app will update instantly and switch to dark mode, giving you a smoother viewing experience. Dark mode not only looks modern, but it also helps conserve battery life and makes working in low-light environments much more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.